Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will teach you AppSheet Deeplink expression link to filtered view. So in this video I will show you what expression we use in link to filtered view. So as in my previous video I have already teach you regarding link to view and link to app. So in this video I will show you how to use link to filtered view expressions. So basically, as you can see, I've already created link to filtered view here. So if you click on this, it will take you to a table where it filters the view based on the given expression. So I will teach you. So first of all, let's create a Google Sheet where we have two tables, parent and child. And now we will create new AppSheet app and we will connect this Google Sheet with our AppSheet app. So let's name our app here. So link to filtered view is our app name. Let's choose data. And our Google Sheet is Deeplink. Now AppSheet is loading and it will create an app in a moment here. So as you can see, the page is still loading and we have received an error. It says app template link to filter view was created with an error, but you can see sometime you might get this kind of error and it has been automatically resolved. So let's customize our app now, and in our Google Sheet table I've already created the column headers and I have added few datas in it. I have few child records and few parent records. So now this is our new app. So let me show you what expression we use. So basically this is the expression we are going to use. Let me open a Google Doc. So this is the expression we use, link to filtered view, and then after we have to write the view name where we will be pointing to and the record which we want to display based on the given expression. So here when I click on the action button, it checks the parent ID and will filter the parent ID data in the source view. So now as we have parent and child record, so I am going to filter the child record based on our given parent record. So as we can see here in our table, we have parent table and a child table here. Now in the child table we have to create a reference which will create parent relation between two tables. So this will reference to the parent, and when I click on save, I will show you the data is linked. If you go to the parent record, this one has one child record, the second record has two, and the third has two. So now we will create an action to filter the record. So let me show you the column name we have here is parent ref, and in the parent table the key ID is ID. So when I click on any record, I want to open the child record based on the given ID we have in the child record. So here we will write parent ref, which is our child table column name parent ref, that stores the relation ref relation with the ID column. Now I'm going to use this expression in our action to create link to filtered view. So let's open behavior menu and click on action tab. Now let's name the action link to filtered view. Now here we have to set go to another view within this app, because we are going to filter the same table. Now in the expression I'm going to paste link to filtered view, where I'll be going to the child, and now we can see we are getting this error because we don't have any view called child. So we will create that view. Let's save this and let's go to view. Let's create a view here named child, and let's connect the child table. This will be a table view. Now let's save. Now if you go to the action, we are not getting any error now. Now let's create it won't be a primary view because it's not a row level action. So if you open the record, then only you will see this view. So let's save this. Now we will open our parent record, and in the parent record you can see we have the action here, link to filtered view. If you click on this, it will take you to the child record. You can see it's the child record. Let's open the second parent record. If you click on the action, it will take you to the related child record. So this is how we use link to filtered view. So you can note down the expression, and I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe. There are many more to come. Thank you for watching this video.